All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol Htbx, Heat Biologics Inc. And before I jump into the chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this informative, helpful, and worthwhile. If you do and you're a first-time viewer, please don't forget to click the like button. Let me know you watched this video and found it helpful. And also, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so you can get notified on my daily videos. So let's jump into this chart and see what was going on. So previously, this has started to become a very bearish trend from that $3.11 mark, and then from there it started to fall. It hit a low of 136. Earnings came out. There was a surprise, and that good news still didn't do much and just leveled it off. It kept it from falling. And then I guess it just got to the point where, it hit those lows and it leveled off up here at the 150 mark. And from there on out, it just took off today to the point that it hit new highs of 208. 208 is significant because that's the highest point in this short-term uh, jump, right? It's very, very significant. 208 is the highest point that this reached, and that's going to be one of the most important points in this whole entire chart in the next coming days, because after 208 gets broken through, if the bulls continue a bullish run from this point forward, and they use this as support and break that resistance level, they could then start to break through higher levels of resistance and hit newer highs. So that's going to be significant. But let's zoom in on what we want to look for tomorrow, right? So the 50-day moving average is 178, which is 1 cent above the closing price of 177. And 178 is significant because that lets you know if the bulls are gaining control or the bears. Right now, this tug of war closes out right on top of it. It's too soon to know. We're going to have to see who wins the tug of war. The tug of war is really been a strong one from both ends, but we're really going to know tomorrow. So 178 is significant. I'd write that down because if the bulls bring this up above it, it's in bullish territory, and if the bears bring it below it, it's in bearish territory. So the bulls are going to want to break through the first level of resistance, and that's 191. So bringing it from 177 all the way up to 191 and breaking through it using this level of resistance as support, then the bulls can start to break through newer highs and new resistance levels. So that's going to be significant in how that plays out if the bulls are able to work their way towards 191. On the other hand, if the bears start to gain control, the support level is 169. So if 169 is not used as support by the bulls and they maintain themselves above it somehow by loading up on stocks, or if the bears bring themselves close to it and the bulls just bring themselves back up, that's something that shows you 169 was used as support. But if it's not used as support and the bears break through it, now the bears have pulled this further away from the 50-day moving average and bringing it down to bearish territory. Two things can happen. The bears can continue to tear through newer lows and bring this to new levels of support, but that will just show that the bears have full control and have gained control on this stock. On the other hand, yeah, it could break through support, hit new lows, and the bulls will go ahead and take advantage of this price and bring it back up. So that's something to pay close attention to. But if this support level is broken through, I keep my eyes on this stock very closely to see how much lower does it go, how much more control do the bears gain, or will the bulls reappear and bring this one back. So this is going to be very interesting to see how it plays out tomorrow. The tug of war is going to be very, very strong from both ends throughout the day, and it's going to be like that tomorrow. And we're going to see who dominates it and who gains the upper hand. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button to let me know you watched this video. Share this with your friends and community, and let's make some money.